Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can select certain widgets to be displayed on your iPhone lock screen. So go to wallpaper here and select the current wallpaper, select customize over here. And then here you can add the widgets to your lock screen. You can add in a few. There's Instagram, there's like your battery, there's Spotify. There's also like the weather. I like to add the weather. I like to also add in, let's say I don't know if the time is really important because it's here, but maybe add in like your battery percentage as well as like Spotify maybe. Then you're going to press done and it's going to be saved. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.